Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. So previously I have explained how to fill the form for JEE Mains 2021. In this video, I am going to explain you about the documents required in JEE 2021 form filling. So are they mandatory to upload? So what are they? So let's get into the video and clear all your doubts regarding this. So required documents and rules to upload them. So what are all the things you need to upload and what are all the documents you need for filling the form of JEE Mains 2021 are? So candidate photograph should be there, candidate signature, candidate category certificate and PWD certificate. So for coming to candidate photograph, so the size of it should be 10 KB to 200 KB. So its format should be in JPG or JPEG. In that 80% of face should be visible with ears. So background should be white. So all these things taking into consideration, then only you upload that photograph. Okay. Then next comes the signature. The size of the signature should be 4 KB to 30 KB. Okay. 4 KB to 30 KB and format of it should be JPG or JPEG. Now coming to category certificate, it is if applicable. If during form filling, if you fill general EWS, you need to upload EWS certificate. SC certificate, ST certificate should be uploaded. OBC NCL certificate should be uploaded. So if and only if you give the category there, then only you need to upload the category certificate here. So if you gave it as general, then no need of any certificate. It won't ask for any certificate uploading. The format of it should be in PDF and the size of it should be 50 KB to 300 KB. Now coming to PWD certificate, this is also if applicable. Means if you have given that you are a PWD candidate, you need to upload PWD certificate. The size of it should be 50 KB to 300 KB and format should be in PDF. So category certificates are mandatory for JEE Mains 2021 form filling. So till last year, during form filling, they didn't ask about the category certificate or PWD certificate. But from this year only, they are started asking the category certificate or PWD certificate if applicable to upload now itself during the form filling process. So the reason behind is unknown, but they are asking for it. So we should do it as it is a mandatory thing to complete your application process. So this is the general EWS certificate format. So you can see here, right? You can download all these formats from the below given link in the description. Please go there and according to your category, download the certificate and then upload it with proper signature of a competent authority. Means proper authority should sign it. Then only you upload that certificate. So valid certificate should be uploaded in the JEE Main portal for completing the third step and for proceeding for fee payment. So this is OBC NCL certificate format. So this will be like OBC NCL certificate format. So you can also not only these formats, you can also get the OBC NCL certificates from the VSEVA or any other government office also. So this is the format of JOSA. Fill your details and get the required signature there. So it will be really helpful for you during JOSA and CSEF counseling also. So this is for SC ST certificate format is this one. And next comes the PWD Form 2 certificate format. So this is PWD 2 certificate format, PWD 3 certificate format. So this is Form 3 PWD certificate format, disability certificate in case of multiple disabilities. PWD 4 certificate format. This is Form 4 for PWD certificate, disability certificate in case other than those mentioned in Form 2 and Form 3, you need to use this Form 4. So this is Form 4. So this format is also given in the below given link in the description. You can go there and download according to your category. Dyslexic 1 certificate format. This is for Dyslexic 1 format of medical certificate or report to be produced by dyslexic candidate to be obtained from any dyslexia association. So dyslexia means difficulty in reading and writing. Dyslexic 2 certificate format, and this is Form Dyslexic 2 certificate to be produced by dyslexic candidate from the principal of the school or college last attended. So this is a Dyslexic 2 certificate. So all these certificates formats are in the link in the description. So you can go there and download according to your category and fill your details, get the correct valid signature of the competent authority, then upload a valid certificate in the JEE Main portal to complete your third step and go for and means proceed for fourth step, which is fee payment, then complete your application process. So as these certificates are mandatory, so make sure you get them before the deadline. The deadline for JMN's application is January 16th.